Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, gold has shown crazy upside on Monday. After making a high of 3392, we can see that gold has come for retracement and right now trading around 3360 area. This is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that market is obviously very much bullish. In our previous video on Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of a breakout because we identified a symmetrical triangle pattern. And the problem with symmetrical triangle pattern is that it's a bilateral pattern. Means we don't know about the direction of the breakout. And yes, we got the breakout towards the upside and we can see that this is the current situation. Gold is super bullish again. So if market is super bullish, what should be our trading strategy? Probably you guys know it very well that buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best and the safest trading strategy. Okay, if things do not change drastically during the US session, obviously buying at support or buying at retracement will be the best thing to do. Okay, and this is a daily chart of gold in front of us, and obviously there's no doubt that market is very much bullish here. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold hovers near 4-week high. Gold fell below 3380 per ounce on Tuesday but remained close to its highest level in nearly 4 weeks, supported by strong safe haven demand. Gold edges higher amid trade geopolitical tensions. Gold hits 3-week high on dollar dip trade turmoil. Gold jumps as tariff wars reappear. So my dear friends, you can see that gold is bullish both fundamentally and technically. And as long as this uncertainty, the turmoil remains in the market, you can expect gold to be bullish only. Okay, but keep your eyes open because for the last couple of weeks, we have seen that gold has been crazy. Trading on gold has really been difficult. Okay, so be careful and let's discuss the levels one by one. The free Telegram community we have already discussed. I posted in the morning, okay, what should be our trading strategy and the levels. So if you still have not joined, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Be careful of the scams because there are lots of scams also going on in money. For example, this you can see, okay, these are scams going on in money. Be careful. Only join the community, okay, that is okay, with the link on the description or scan the QR code. Okay, and feel free to join. Now let's discuss about the levels. So my dear friends, we can see that the market structure is bullish, but here we can see that there's a little change in the structure of the market. But overall, the market sentiment is still very much bullish. So we can expect that though market has formed a lower low here, okay, but after some retracement, market will be continuing the upside because the market sentiment has not changed. If any news comes out during the US session, market starts falling, that's a different story. But as of now, while recording the video in the Asian session, we can clearly see the market is bullish. So if you are holding any buy position right now, if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position because okay, because as long as market sentiment remains bullish, okay, you can continue with your buy position. I'm not expecting all-time high here. No, I'm not expecting all-time high here as of now, but but you can expect gold to break 3400 and head higher. Okay, and if you are looking for fresh position in the market, we have the next best support around 3353 area. We are considering 335350 area because of the previous resistance will be working as support, the dotted line here. We saw yesterday also that this particular zone worked nicely and still market is providing support, means the previous resistance is still providing support, and in a market condition like this, price action really works well. So if gold drops during the day, 335350 will be the first support. Observe the market. If you see market is taking support, showing prices action from below, hit the buy button. Okay, and you can see that we also have another support on 3344. Means if market surprises, for example, if you see that gold is going down, do not sell immediately because after sweeping all the liquidity, you may see market forming a hammer kind of a pattern. if you see the market has swept all the humidity, or not humidity, liquidity, okay, you can look for a buy above 3344 as well. Means on the chart of gold, we can expect the bounce to be around 335350. Okay, but if it fails, then observe the market on 3344 as well. After sweeping liquidity, we can expect some sort of buy. How much we can expect? Initially, we can expect 60 pips. If you see further potential, you can go with 100, 120 pips as well. But initially, your target should be 60 pips on these levels. 335350, okay, I'm having high hopes. Let's wait and watch. But already we can see that the previous this resistance is already providing support. Let's wait and watch. If you have a buy around this area, you can hold your buy as well. And gold, okay, gold has been giving us shocks, okay, not surprise, shocks in the last couple of days. Okay, so if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure and gold breaks 3344, 3344 area or 3340 area with high selling pressure, gold is forming big red candles, you can look for a sell below this area as well, because if gold breaks 3340 area, the structure of the market will be under pressure again, because gold is really giving us tough time. Okay, in the couple of months ago when gold was bullish, it was easy for us to trade. When gold came down for correction, then also it was more or less easy for us because we were just selling. But in the last 3-4 weeks we have seen that the trend of the gold is changing drastically. Gold is hunting down stop losses. Okay, so things are really difficult, so we can expect that this time it should work. If it works, if you see market taking support, go for a buy. But if sudden selling pressure comes, then you can obviously look for a sell position below 3340 as well. Okay, and if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, you can also look for a buy above 3379. Above this level, you can look for a buy above 3379. And obviously later on, if market goes up like this, then you can also look for a buy above 3394 as well. Okay, but as of now, okay, if market goes up from the current level, you can buy above 3379 as well. And those who are holding buy position, hold your buy position. Okay, because if we look at the contracts data here, okay, around 3400 we do have resistance. Okay, but the number is not big, so we can expect that after once or twice, okay, already market has faced resistance, so second time or third time, okay, market should be able to break the level of 3400. Okay, let's wait and watch, time will speak. Okay, and in this situation I will not recommend any sell opportunity or position here, because while recording the video the market is bullish. Okay, if things change during the US session, I will update in the Telegram community. Feel free to join that. So let me wrap it up in simple words. Okay, overall the market sentiment is bullish, and technically also we can see that gold is bullish. So we are looking for buy position only. If market comes down to 335350 area, we can look for a buy position. But if gold breaks 335350 area and okay tries to hunt down stop loss that we have been seeing in the last couple of weeks, then we can look for a buy around 3344 area as well. Okay, we have the next support on 331516 area, but chances of market going to those levels are very less because nothing is crazy right now. And if you are holding a buy, you can hold your buy position because the market is bullish right now, standing around the previous resistance. Already this level has performed a great job yesterday, not yesterday, okay, today. But right now we can see the market is under pressure, so we can expect the market to come down to this area. If market goes up from here, we can look for a buy about 3379 and also 3394 area. Okay, and keep in touch with the news, because any news will have a straight impact on the market. Okay, and obviously, okay, you will see the size of the candle also. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.